Want to spend less on your SiteGround web hosting purchase and get a SiteGround coupon code discount? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a SiteGround coupon code that will get you a SiteGround discount, saving you money. You'll get 80% off SiteGround hosting plans consisting of the popular shared hosting plans, SiteGround WordPress hosting plans, and SiteGround WooCommerce hosting plans. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the SiteGround discount. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your SiteGround discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome SiteGround discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the SiteGround hosting plans page. Click the View Plans button or scroll down to the next section and you'll see 3 different SiteGround plans. The Startup, GrowBig, and GoGeek plan. You'll save 80% off each of these plans. The Startup plan you can get for $2.99 a month, the GrowBig for $4.99 a month, and the GoGeek plan for $7.99 a month. To get the 80% off SiteGround discount price, you want to choose the 12-month term at checkout under the Purchase Information section. You get the best deal of 80% off by going with the 12-month term. Enjoy your SiteGround coupon discount to get 80% off SiteGround web hosting. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more SiteGround hosting tutorial videos.